Hello everybody. If you are a beginner in Arabic, so you must start with the alphabets. Let's see today what this video will add to us. I'm Jimmy and this is Easy Arabic. Learning Arabic alphabets is too important. In Easy Arabic, we will start with the sound of the letters, so you get to know the sound of each letter when you are reading. You must know that each letter have 3 sounds according to its formation. Formation means in Arabic Tashkeel, which is small signs written above or under the letter to change its sound. There is 3 main formations for Arabic letters. There is Dhamma, there is Fatha, there is Kasra. Dhamma is this sign and it is written above the letter. Fatha is this sign and it is written above the letter also. Kasra is this sign and it is written under the letter. Also, before we start, you have to know some facts. The Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters. It's completely different alphabets from Latin-based languages. So it is written from right to left and it doesn't have upper and lower case. Each letter can be written differently based on its location in the word. I know it sounds difficult, but once you learn the letter shapes and sounds, you will find it not that difficult. Now let's start the Arabic alphabet sound song. It is recommended that you bring a notebook and pause each letter to take your notes. Good luck! A, U, I, B, 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 T, 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 T,
A, U, I, B, B, T, T, T,
Say J, 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 H, H, I, H, H, I, D, D,
J, 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 H, H, I, H, H, I, D,
Z, 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 R, R, I, Z, 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 S, S, Si,
Z, Z, R, R, I, Z, Z, S, S,
Say Sh, Sh, Shi, Sa, Su, Si, Da, Du, Di, Ta, Tu, Ti,
Sh, Sh, Shi, Sa, Su, Si, Da, Du, Di, Ta, Tu, Ti,
Va, Vu, Vi, A, U, I, Re, Ru, Ri, Fe, Fu, Fi,
Va, Vu, Vi, A, U, I, Re, Ru, Ri, Fe, Fu, Fi.
Say Qa, Qu, Qi, Ke, Ku, Ki, Le, Lu, Li, Me, Mu, Mi,
Qa, Qu, Qi, Ke, Ku, Ki, Le, Lu, Li, Me, Mu, Mi.
Say Ne, Nu, Ni, He, Hu, Hi, Wa, Wu, Wi, Ye, Yu, Yi,
Ne, Nu, Ni, He, Hu, Hi, Wa, Wu, Wi, Ye, Yu, Yi.
Got a little bit of gasoline. I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn.
You should hear this song over and over to get familiar with the letter shapes and sounds, and try to write it as many times as you can to learn them. You can find the link to the writing and Tashkeel guide below. I hope that this video added to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified with the latest videos. إلى اللقاء.